Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you a chapter from your EVS. For that you will have to open up My Best Book 7 and the chapter is Weather. Chapter number 13, Weather. Now children, you must be wondering what is weather. Weather is the climatical changes or the change in the temperature of a place at a particular time. So come children, I will teach you more about it from your book. So come. So children, this is chapter 13, weather, okay? In this picture, you can see that this is due to excessive cold. There are ice on the trees. So that is what weather? It's a winter season when the weather is cold, okay? Then we have a sunny day also, right? And also we have a rainy day as well. See, it's raining. Okay, let's start with the topic, weather. Weather at a given point, a given time and place tells us about how cold, hot, cold or wet the air is and how fast it is moving. It also tells us about rainfall, snowfall, etc. at that place. Weather tells us at one particular place, at a given particular place, at one point of time, how hot it is, how cold it is, how wet it is. So how fast is the air moving, whether it is very fast or it is okay. And it tells us about the rainfall and the snowfall of that place. So that is called as weather. The weather of a place keeps changing from day to day. It can even change many times in a single day. So children, if you remember 1 or 2 days back, it was cold. हम लोग को स्वेटर पहनना पड़ता था, इतना ठंडा था. It was very cold. We wore sweater and all. But today it's not. It's hot. Rather we are feeling hot, right? So the climate or the weather immediately changes and in one day also it can change many times. In one day it can become cloudy and then it may start raining and then again it may become very cold and then again it may become very humid. So it depends, okay? Weather can be hot or cold. It can also be rainy, cloudy or windy. Weather can be hot or cold and it can also be rainy, cloudy or windy, okay? The weather of a place recorded over a long period of time, usually 30 years, is known as the climate of that place. So one particular kind of weather for more than 30 years is known as the climate of that place. If that kind of weather is constant, then we say that it's the climate of that place, okay? Which part of the day do you feel is generally the hottest? It is generally in the afternoon that it is the hottest. Now seasons. When the same kind of weather condition continues for a long period of time, it is called a season. See, we have summer season, winter season, and we have rainy season, we have spring, we have autumn, right? How do we know that it is a season? Because the same kind of weather condition, it prevails or it remains the same for a longer period of time. During summer season, it is hot for almost 4 months, okay? Then in winter season, it is cold for almost 2 months. It's like that, okay? It's equally balanced, okay? We have different seasons in a year. In India, we have 5 seasons in a year. In summer, it is very hot. You know, summer days are really hot. You start sweating a lot, right? Prachi is sweating a lot. You also sweat a lot during summer season, right? It stinks. Badbu aata hai na? Bahut pasina beh jata hai, right? Sumant is wearing loose cotton dress. What kind of dress do you like to wear in summer season? Usually loose and cotton dress because that helps to keep your body cool. Arav is feeling like drinking more and more water. गर्मियों में in summer season you feel very thirsty, right? बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लगता है. ज़्यादा पानी, juice, cold drink सब पीने का मन करता है. Ruchi loves summer because she gets to eat mangoes. मेरा भी favorite fruit mango है. So even I love to eat mangoes. And you get mangoes only in the summer season. And you get watermelon as well in summer season. So if you love those fruits, then I am sure you will like the summer season as well, right? Mangoes and watermelon are summer fruits. So children, you got it? So children, now we are going to learn rainy season. After the hot summer comes the rainy season. It is also called the monsoon season. So children, we call monsoon rainy season as monsoon season as well. Okay, what happens during rainy season? It is very wet and very humid. Okay, so Divya is going to the market. She is wearing a raincoat as it is raining outside. So children, when it rains outside, what do? You wear a raincoat, right? Or you carry an umbrella, and sometimes you also wear gum boots to prevent your legs from getting wet, right? Yes. And what kind of dress you usually wear during rainy season? It's mostly made out of synthetics, so that the dress gets dried up very fast. Okay, some people are carrying umbrella, as you can see in the picture. Some people are carrying the umbrella, some people are standing below a tree to avoid getting wet. See, you can see they are taking the shelter of a tree. But children, never stand during a rainy season when there is thunderstorm. Never stand below a tree, because the trees, they invite the electric energy. So do not ever take shelter under a tree. You can take shelter anywhere but not under a tree. Okay children, that is wrong. So you can, but yes, people do take shelter under the tree. Okay, the rain fills up the dried lakes, ponds, rivers and other water sources. So what the rain does, the rain fills up all the water sources that gets dried up during summer season. जो गर्मियों में सूख जाता है, तालाब, नदी, नाला, ये सब सूख जाता है ना, तो जैसे बरसात होता है वो सब फिर से हरा भरा हो जाता है, फिर से भर जाता है. So children, the video is getting very lengthy. In the next class I will teach you autumn season. Till then, bye bye, take good care of yourself.